Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are proud to present this 2023 plate Discovery Metropolitan Edition, finished in the distinctive Lantau Bronze. It comes enhanced by black alloys, roof rails and privacy glass, and also comes with one previous owner, full service history and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, making this a vehicle you can buy with confidence. At the rear, you'll find a large and versatile boot space, perfect for all your everyday needs. With an electrically deployable third row that gives you space for 2 extra passengers, making this the perfect vehicle for larger families. Step inside and you're greeted by a beautifully appointed cabin with cloud and ebony grained leather seats and premium features and materials used throughout. Front, rear and third rows are all incredibly spacious and comfortable, with plenty of legroom for every passenger. The contemporary dashboard houses the intuitive touchscreen infotainment system with Navigation Pro and voice control. While above you, the front and rear sunroofs flood the cabin with natural light, giving an airy feel. The multifunction steering wheel gives you easy access to voice control, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering buttons. An added luxury is the refrigerator cool box that keeps drinks and snacks cool on every journey. Comfort is guaranteed with heated and cooled front and rear seats and climate control across all 3 rows. A 3D camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy, while a head-up display puts key information in your eye line. Finishing off this impressive spec, we have a front sunroof that can be opened for fresh air, and an electrically deployable Towbar with a 3.5 ton towing capacity, which adds impressive versatility. This impressive, highly specified Discovery could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, follow the link in the description below.